Hi, I'm Kelly Shivangi Van Gogh, and I'm the founder of 8 Organics and Shopify Pro, and Hamid just did a fantastic job for me. We redid our whole entire website, our subscription box service as well for organic Ayurvedic supplements, and they listened to everything that I wanted from my website, which was a lot. I had a lot of design ideas as well, and they implemented them flawlessly, and they have been in communication with me almost every day and answered immediately to every question that I had. And I'm so ecstatic about the quality and professionalism of Shopify Pro, and I highly recommend them. Thank you so much, guys. Great job.